Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. Did you know that over 30% of people over the age of 60 experience significant balance issues? That's nearly 1 in 3 seniors who face a higher risk of falls, injuries, and a loss of independence. But what if I told you there are 15 surprising causes behind this balance loss that most people have no idea about? Stick around because today, we're uncovering these hidden factors and showing you how to fix them. Balance loss in older adults is not just a minor inconvenience, it's a serious issue that affects the quality of life for millions of seniors worldwide. When you lose your balance, even a simple misstep can lead to devastating injuries like fractures or head trauma, which could require months of recovery. For many, it can also signal the loss of independence, forcing them to rely on others for daily activities. This issue is more common than you might think, and understanding the causes behind it is the first step in addressing it. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the 15 surprising reasons why seniors lose balance after 60, and more importantly, how you can fix or even prevent these problems to maintain a healthy and independent lifestyle. As we age, it's natural for our bodies to undergo changes, but balance loss doesn't have to be an inevitable part of the aging process. One of the most significant challenges seniors face when it comes to balance issues is the heightened risk of falls. In fact, falls are the leading cause of injury and accidental death in older adults. Every year, millions of people age 60 and over suffer from fall-related injuries that could have been prevented. What's even more troubling is that balance loss often creeps up slowly. Many seniors don't realize it's happening until it's too late, making it harder to address and correct. Beyond the physical risks, balance loss affects a person's mental and emotional well-being too. It can lead to a fear of falling, which reduces physical activity and social interaction, creating a vicious cycle of physical decline and isolation. Another major challenge is that balance issues are often overlooked during routine health checkups. Since many of the causes of balance loss are subtle or hidden, they tend to go unnoticed or are misattributed to normal aging. But the truth is, balance loss can be a sign of underlying health problems that, when addressed, can significantly improve a senior's quality of life. Now that we understand the serious consequences of balance loss, let's explore the 15 surprising causes that contribute to this issue, and more importantly, how to fix them. Because number 1, inner ear issues. Your inner ear is like a hidden balance control center, and when it's out of whack, your entire world can feel like it's spinning. Conditions like vertigo, Meniere's disease, or even a minor ear infection can cause sudden dizziness or unsteadiness. Imagine losing your balance just because of a small issue inside your ear. It's fascinating how something so small can have such a big impact on your stability. The good news? These issues are often treatable with medication, exercises, or in some cases surgery, helping you regain your sense of balance almost instantly. Number 2, poor vision. Your eyes do more than help you see the world, they help you stay balanced in it. As we age, our vision naturally declines, which directly affects our ability to gauge distance and spot obstacles. This makes it easier to trip or stumble, especially in dim lighting. What many don't realize is that fixing this can be as simple as getting the right prescription or wearing proper lenses. The clearer your view of the world, the steadier you'll feel on your feet. Keeping your vision sharp can be a game changer for your balance. Cause number 3, muscle weakness. Muscle mass starts to diminish as early as your 30s, but by the time you hit 60, this loss can lead to significant balance issues. Weak leg and core muscles mean your body has a harder time stabilizing itself, increasing your risk of falling. What's fascinating is that you can reverse this with targeted strength exercises. Even simple routines like squats or resistance band training can rebuild muscle and dramatically improve your balance. Imagine feeling more stable on your feet after just a few weeks of consistent workouts. Strength truly equals stability. Number 4, medications. Sometimes the very pills you take to stay healthy can cause unexpected side effects like dizziness or unsteadiness. Blood pressure medications, antidepressants, and even antihistamines can interfere with your body's ability to maintain balance. The surprising part? You may not even realize it's happening. This makes it essential to monitor any new symptoms after starting a medication and consult your doctor about alternatives. Adjusting your dosage or switching medications can often solve the issue and restore your balance, allowing you to feel steady once again. Cause number 5, joint and bone problems. Arthritis and osteoporosis are 2 silent culprits that sneak up on your joints, robbing you of flexibility and mobility. Stiff joints make it harder to react quickly if you trip or stumble, making falls more likely. What's fascinating is that joint health isn't a lost cause. There are ways to fight back. From physical therapy to anti-inflammatory diets and joint supplements, you can regain much of your flexibility and reduce pain. Keeping your joints in check doesn't just help with mobility, it can also be the key to maintaining your independence. Number 6, poor posture. You might not realize it, but the way you stand, sit, and move can drastically affect your balance. Years of hunching over or poor posture habits can shift your center of gravity, making you more prone to falling. The incredible part is that small changes in posture can create a world of difference. Practicing good posture by standing tall, engaging your core, and keeping your shoulders back not only helps you feel more balanced, but also boosts your confidence. It's like giving your body an instant stability upgrade with minimal effort. Number 7, neurological disorders. Parkinson's disease, stroke, and other neurological conditions can wreak havoc on your balance. These disorders disrupt communication between your brain and muscles, causing tremors, weakness, or coordination problems. While these conditions sound intimidating, the fascinating part is how targeted therapies and exercises can improve balance even in these cases. Physical therapy, medication, and sometimes surgery can help manage symptoms and restore a level of normalcy. Staying proactive with treatment can make a huge difference in how well you maintain your balance despite these challenges. Cause number 8, blood pressure fluctuations. A sudden drop in blood pressure, especially when standing up, can make your world spin and throw off your balance. Known as orthostatic hypotension, this condition is more common as you age and can lead to dizziness or even fainting. What's fascinating is that simple lifestyle adjustments like staying hydrated, rising slowly from sitting to standing, and adding more salt to your diet can help control these dizzying episodes. It's a surprisingly easy fix that can make a big difference in how stable you feel throughout the day. Number 9, vitamin deficiencies. You might not think vitamins are tied to balance, but they play a crucial role. Vitamin D, B12, and folic acid deficiencies can weaken your muscles and bones, affecting your ability to stay upright. Vitamin D in particular is essential for bone strength, and lacking it can lead to brittle bones and an increased risk of falls. The fascinating part? A simple blood test can reveal deficiencies, and a daily supplement or more time in the sun can make all the difference. It's one of the easiest ways to support your body's balance naturally. Number 10, dehydration. Dehydration doesn't just make you thirsty, it can throw off your balance entirely. Without enough fluids, your blood pressure drops, and your brain doesn't get the oxygen it needs, leading to dizziness and unsteadiness. The fascinating part is that fixing this is as easy as drinking more water. Staying hydrated helps maintain proper blood flow and brain function, ensuring that you stay steady on your feet. It's an incredibly simple but often overlooked solution to a major cause of balance issues, especially in older adults. Number 11, anxiety or fear of falling. The fear of falling can, ironically, increase your chances of falling. When you're anxious about your balance, you tend to move more cautiously and stiffly, which actually makes you less stable. It's a fascinating psychological loop. The more you fear, the more likely it becomes. Breaking this cycle through confidence-building exercises like Tai Chi or mindfulness practices can help ease that fear. Once you trust your body to stay balanced, you'll notice a remarkable improvement in your overall stability. Cause number 12, improper footwear. Your shoes might be doing more harm than good when it comes to your balance. Shoes that lack proper support or have slippery soles can make staying upright a real challenge. What's fascinating is how quickly switching to supportive, non-slip shoes can change everything. The right footwear provides the stability you need to stay balanced, especially when walking on uneven surfaces. It's a quick and easy fix that can prevent a whole lot of future trips and falls. Number 13, sleep deprivation. Did you know that lack of sleep doesn't just make you tired, it can also make you unsteady? Sleep deprivation affects your brain's ability to control balance and coordination, leaving you feeling off kilter. The fascinating thing is how much your balance improves with just a good night's sleep. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep per night can do wonders for both your physical stability and mental sharpness. It's a simple, natural way to keep your body functioning at its best. Number 14, diabetes. Diabetes can cause nerve damage, especially in the feet, leading to a condition called peripheral neuropathy. This affects your ability to sense where your feet are, which can throw off your balance. What's fascinating is that managing your blood sugar levels through diet, exercise, and medication can prevent or slow down this nerve damage. It's a reminder that staying on top of your health can protect not only your overall well-being, but also your ability to stay balanced. Cause number 15, inactivity. One of the most surprising causes of balance loss is simply not moving enough. Inactivity weakens your muscles, decreases flexibility, and lowers your coordination, all of which are essential for staying balanced. The good news, even a little movement can make a big difference. Walking, yoga, or gentle stretching can help rebuild the strength and flexibility needed to maintain balance. Staying active is one of the easiest and most effective ways to keep your body in check as you age. Now, out of all the causes we've discussed, the most surprising, and perhaps the most impactful, is vitamin deficiency, specifically vitamin D. Many people don't realize how essential this vitamin is for maintaining strong bones and proper nerve function. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to muscle weakness and brittle bones, increasing the likelihood of falls. What's even more surprising is that over 40% of people over 60 are deficient in vitamin D, making it a widespread but easily correctable problem. By simply getting more sunlight or adding a vitamin D supplement to your daily routine, you can significantly improve your balance and reduce the risk of falls. So, to recap, we've covered 15 surprising causes of balance loss after 60, from inner ear issues and muscle weakness to medications and vitamin deficiencies. Each of these factors plays a critical role in your overall stability, and the good news is that many of them are preventable or manageable with the right steps. Whether it's improving your posture, staying hydrated, or checking your vitamin levels, taking action today can lead to better balance and a healthier life. Have you experienced balance issues? Share your story in the comments below and let us know what has worked for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more tips on how to stay healthy and active as you age. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.